Welcome to Employment and Education News.
Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. 150 Assistant Central Intelligence Officer post vacancy in Intelligence Bureau. Eligibility BE or BTech in Computer Science and Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering with GATE score. Age limit between 18 to 27 years as on 7/5/2022. Last date for application 7 May 2022. Salary as per pay scale level 7. Bihar Regimental Center Danapur Kent Patna vacancy for cook, washerman, barber, safaiwala and carpenter. Eligibility 10th ITI. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 13 May 2022. Army Recruiting Office Kolhapur vacancy for multitasking staff civil motor driver. Eligibility 10th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff and 18 to 27 years for civil motor driver. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 21 May 2022. Ind Bank vacancy for specialist post head, account opening staff, DP staff, back office, help desk staff, back office staff, research analyst, dealer, system and networking engineer and other. Eligibility graduation, BE or BTech, MBA. Age limit between 21 to 30 years. Last date for application 26 April 2022. Jammu Kashmir Rifles Regimental Center Jabalpur Madhya Pradesh vacancy for Army Group C post, stenographer, draftsman, cook, LDC, bootmaker, tailor, MTS, washerman and barber. Eligibility 10th 12th ITI. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 18 May 2022. Salary as per pay level 1, 2 and 4. Bureau of Indian Standard vacancy for Director, Assistant Director, Personal Assistant, Assistant Section Officer, Assistant Computer Aided Design, Stenographer, Senior Secretariat Assistant, Junior Secretariat Assistant, Horticulture Supervisor. Eligibility 10th, Bachelor Degree, MBA, Master Degree in Hindi with English as a subject at the degree level, Master Degree in English with Hindi as a subject at the degree level. Age limit maximum 27 years for Stenographer, Senior Secretariat Assistant, Horticulture Supervisor, 30 years for Personal Assistant, Assistant Section Officer, 35 years for Assistant Director, 56 years for Director. Last date for application 9 May 2022. Chittaranjan National Cancer Institute vacancy for Technical Officer, Store Supervisor and Accountant. Eligibility degree, diploma in Mechanical, Electrical, Electronics and Biomedical Engineering. Postgraduate degree in Material Management. Age limit maximum 30 years for Accountant, 35 years for Store Supervisor, 40 years for Technical Officer. Last date for application 28 April 2022. Dayal Singh Evening College vacancy for Assistant Professor Commerce, Computer Application, English, Economics, EVS, Hindi, History, Political Science, Sanskrit and Tamil. Eligibility Master Degree and PhD. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 30 April 2022. Application fees 500 for UR, OBC, EWS and no fee for SC, ST, PWBD and women candidate. 25 Deputy General Manager post vacancy in NBCC India Limited. Eligibility degree in Civil Engineering with experience. Age limit maximum 41 years. Last date for application 5 May 2022. Hansraj College vacancy for Assistant Professor Botany, Chemistry, Commerce, Computer Science, Economics, Electronics, English, Hindi, History, Mathematics, Philosophy, Physical Education, Physics, Sanskrit, Geology. Eligibility Master Degree, PhD. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 30 April 2022. Application fees 500 for UR, OBC, EWS and no fee for SC, ST, PWBD and women candidate. Thanks for watching till the end.